Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India 2025, and I'm here with Daniel and Vinu from Mycronic. So, Daniel, a lot of great things happening at Mycronic globally. Give us some of the interesting highlights.
Happily. First of all, thank you for having us here today. I'm joined by Vinu, our country manager. As you said, we're here at Productronica in Bangalore for the first time, really with our own booth, with our own presence, a good lineup of machines. We have just done a little bit of a rebranding at Mycronic. The formerly known High Flex division has now been renamed to PCB Assembly Solutions. The intention for that was basically just to explain to our customers and new customers what the name of our game really is. The name of the game is to have highly flexible PCB assembly solutions that enable customers who are just starting very fresh really to manufacture batch sizes, board level 1 from R&D over NPI to really small to mid-volume production all the way.
So the rebranding sort of focuses everyone's mind into exactly what you're doing.
Exactly. Some people had a question before what that actually means when people say high flex. Okay, the insiders, the existing customers are very well aware of this, but now it explains it right from the get-go.
And how is business going generally in your region? Because you cover, I think, most of Asia.
Oh, we are very happy with how the region develops. We're looking at Southeast Asia with a lot of reshoring activities. We're looking especially into India and the extreme activity that we are monitoring here. This show gets more busy every year. Our customers becoming more and more. So we are very happy with what we are seeing at the moment.
And as this is your first solo booth, you're obviously very happy with how it's going this week.
Very excited. It's very crowded. Yesterday was a fantastic day. The second day is developing even better than that. We're giving live demos on all of our equipment and getting positive feedback throughout. So it's been so far a fantastic show.
Okay, then Vinu, you're up. Okay, can you tell me a little bit more about India, maybe a little bit more specifics on the stand and generally how you're growing the business here?
Hi. Once again, thank you for having us here. Actually, to be honest, we are very excited to showcase the complete line product in Productronica Bangalore this year. So we have brought the complete solution like the stencilless jet printer and the solder paste inspection, Mycronic new platform A40, and along with the AOI. So we generally catering into the addressing the pain area of customers. So that is how so we quite succeeded in the past 25 years in Indian market.
So things are looking very good for you, and I think like most companies who are in India, yes, it's been a boom time for a few years, and people think that it's going to continue. But you are I guess more of a specialist market than some of the equipment suppliers that are here, and you're also finding that even in things like NPI, there's a lot of growth.
Yes. Mycronic, the core business is more into the prototyping, NPIs, and the pilot run productions. So where the customers don't want to spend too much of downtime for the productions. So that is where Mycronic stands for. So we always, our machines are very user friendly to the customer. So the long way to go as.
Yeah. And you also have a reputation for not only high reliability, but for machines that last a lot of years. And I'm sure the Indian market is happy with this also.
Well said, exactly. So all Mycronic users are very much happy, and so they were growing year over year, and so we were kind of supporting them so very well, and so Mycronic India team is so developing now. So we are here to support the customers all the time.
Yeah. And you see high interest across the board with what you do, including the jet dispensers and the AOI machines that you've added into your range?
Yes, that is newly added into our range. So that is what now it's going to be a one-stop solution for us from Mycronic. Yeah.
And customers are embracing this in India, that they can get all the key things that they need from one place and they're linked together?
Exactly. So customer always prefer the single window solutions where who can help them to provide the complete needs, you could say.
Yeah. And you obviously have service and support to back you up here as well.
We have a very good, strong distributors available in India. So they were spreaded across the pan-India level. And so we have almost 70 plus engineers available in our distributors. So they covered well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all is sounding good. Right, my last question for you, Daniel. From the, let's say, the umbrella view, how do you see things going around in the next few years?
We are very bullish on the current development and the next couple of years. There is very little concern that this growth will stop or slow down. We are positioning ourselves accordingly with our own presence. We will grow our presence in India with own personnel, with own supply chains ourselves, in order to be close to our customers as customers are used from us. And as you said and indicated before, people indeed appreciate our turnkey solutions here. We are one of the few providers, if not the only one, who can really provide our customers with the entire SMT assembly line, starting from printing, jet printing, all the way to final test with a 3D AOI and the storage systems that are tying everything together and supplying the lines with fresh material. Combine this with our supply chain, with our steady supply of components and really extreme quality of our systems. I mean, our systems normally retire after 25 years. This is a pretty long lifetime that most of our machines are experiencing here. Not everybody can do this, so from that point of view, we are very proud of the quality and the up and downward compatibility that we can provide here. The software that ties it all together is really an integral feature here to make it work, even with less training effort on the operator side of things.
Yeah, well, thank you very much for sharing the fact that everything is good now and the future is looking even better. Thank you for sharing your time, gentlemen, and I wish Mycronic all the success for the future.